Hi everybody, welcome to this week's video for your rainbow words for this week. Let's have a look what we've got. So, can you find the right word? Our first word this week is calendar. Can you see I'm pointing to it? Calendar. So up at the top, all of our words this week begin with C. Calendar. The word calendar can be spelled cal-en-dar. That's how I remember it. You can clap it if you want. Calendar. Okay, it's a tricky one because we say calendar and we want to put an ER on the end, but it's calendar. Okay, try and remember it. Also, you might see that there is a word within there as well. Can you spot it? Well done if you spotted lend in the middle. Lend, calend, calendar. Good job. Let's see if we can spot our next word. The word is century. Century. A century is 100 years. 100 years equals a century. Okay, so this word is tricky because we want to put an S at the beginning. We want to say century, but it's actually spelt century, isn't it? Century, century. And if you know anything about American money, you might have spotted that the word cent is at the beginning of century. Cent. Our next word can be found close to the others because I said they all begin with C. Caught. Can you see it in yellow at the top? I caught the ball, said the boy. Caught. Now this one's tricky because we want to spell it O-R-C-O-R-T. But you can see it isn't like that at all. It's got the O sound that we learnt in year 2 after the C. K-O-T. And it's that G-H-T that makes it tricky. Not really many words within words here. You've just got to learn it, I'm afraid. Caught. Our next word up there with the C's again, it's the word centre. Centre. This is a bit like century because we want to spell it with an S at the beginning. So it's actually a C. Centre. Bit like century, it's got that American cent at the beginning. Okay. Of course, we use the word I have thrown to the centre of the dartboard. I am in the centre of the circle. Centre. All right, let's see. It's a fun bit. Can you spot the correct spelling? The word is calendar. Pause the video if you want to and write down if you think spelling 1, 2, 3 or 4 is the correct one. Calendar. Have you put your new calendar up? Well done if you said number 2. Calendar. Calendar. Number 2 is century. Century. Which one's the correct spelling? Pause the video. Well done if you spotted it was number 4. Century. Our next word is caught. Remember I said this one's tricky. We want to spell it with an O-R. I've said too much. Again, I'm nearly giving you the answer. Which one is the right one? 1, 2, 3 or 4? Pause the video and tell you're grown up now. Well done, it's number 3. Our next word is centre. centre. Which one's the right one? 1, 2, 3 or 4? Well done, it's number 2. So keep practicing these tricky ones to make sure you get full marks in your spelling test next week. Can't wait to see you. See you then. Bye.